बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, आप यूट्यूब चैनल देख रहे हैं। मैं मोहम्मद जुनैद शफ़क़त, प्रिंसिपल द स्किल्स शॉर्ट हैंड एंड कंप्यूटर कॉलेज हरबंसपुरा लाहौर।
ये डिक्टेशन न्यूज़पेपर पैराग्राफ नंबर 8 से 80 वर्ड पर मिनट पे डिक्टेट की जाएगी। तो चलते हैं डिक्टेशन की तरफ। 2 1 स्टार्ट। पिशावर कोलन आ सिंगल मेंबर पिशावर हाई कोर्ट बेंच ऑन फ्राइडे ग्रांटेड प्रोटेक्टिव बेल टू दी पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ सेक्रेटरी जनरल एंड नॉमिनी फॉर दी प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स ऑफिस Umar Ayub Khan, in 2 dozen cases registered against him in different parts of the country. Full stop. Chief Justice Muhammad Ibrahim Khan declared that Mr. Umar, who had been absconding from law for many months, should not be arrested in those cases until March 16 and that he should appear before the relevant courts by then. Full stop. The bench also directed the petitioner to furnish 2 surety bonds of rupees 100,000 each to claim protective bail. Full stop. Paragraph. Mr. Umar, who is an MNA elect from Haripur district, had filed 24 petitions under section 498 of the Code of Criminal Procedure for transit or protective bails in those cases so that he could appear before the relevant courts to claim relief. Full stop. Lawyers Babar Awan and others appeared before the court for the petitioner. Full stop. Mr. Awan said the petitioner was named in score of concocted cases mostly registered after the countrywide protests on May 9 against the arrest of the PTI founder Imran Khan. Full stop. He said 13 cases were registered against his client in Rawalpindi, 4 in Lahore, 3 in Attak, 2 in Islamabad and 1 in Gujranwala. Full stop. The lawyer said those cases were mostly registered under different provisions of the Pakistan Penal Code and Anti-Terrorism Act. Full stop. Paragraph. He requested the bench to grant transit bail to the petitioner for 8 weeks, insisting there were so many cases and the petitioner had approached the relevant courts in different parts of the country for relief. Full stop. Paragraph. When the bench asked Additional Advocate General Danial Asad Chamkani about his opinion on the matter, he replied that it was up to the court to provide appropriate time to the petitioner. Full stop. The double AG opposed the grant of 2 months time to the petitioner and said a month's time would be enough. Full stop. Counsel for the petitioner requested the bench to order authorities not to arrest their client over nomination in supplementary documents apart from FIRs. Full stop. Mr. Umar told reporters afterwards that he had been victimized and fabricated cases were registered against him, due to which he could not even attend the burial of his father. Full stop. He said he was thankful to the High Court and its Chief Justice for the relief, full stop. Paragraph, after getting protective bail, comma, I can attend the National Assembly session for oath taking as well as the election for the Speaker, comma, Deputy Speaker and the Prime Minister, full stop. He said, full stop. The PTI leader said as he was away, comma, his close relatives were arrested and party workers were harassed, full stop. He said the policemen went to the graveyard of his ancestors to ensure he does not attend the funeral of his father, full stop. On the occasion, comma, Mr. Awan said the people's mandate for the PTI was stolen through massive rigging in general elections, full stop. He said the US, comma, Australia and some European countries had questioned the transparency and fairness of polls and would raise questions if the PMLN formed the government in the center, full stop. Stop writing.
अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और शेयर करें और कमेंट भी लाजमी कीजिएगा। शुक्रिया।